Hey guys, in this video I am going to give 7 blogging tips for beginners. If you plan to start a new blog, this video will helpful to avoid mistake that most bloggers do. So first one is find a niche. If you start a blog, you have to select a niche and stick into that niche. As example, if you write articles about traveling on your blog, you have to write only about traveling. If you write health or cooking article on your same travel niche blog, you will not able to grab target audience. Next thing is don't select a niche, only focus money. So as example, if you select your niche as businesses or investing, you will make lot of money. But if you don't have any kind of experience or any knowledge about businesses or investing, you will not continually write articles for long term. Even if you write article, you have to copy other people's article or you have to write some lies. So this is really important. Find a niche you already have experience or you have knowledge about that niche. Other than that, you will not do this for long term. Let's go to next one. Second one is 70% for backlink building. When you start a blog, you will not see any result. I mean, you will not get visitors to your blog. No one read your blog. So you have to build backlinks to your blog. As example, if you write an article, you have to share it on social media account and get social signals. Also, you have to share your link on other blog, forums or any other community. As example, you have to build web 2.0 backlink. So there has lot of way to build backlinks. You can do guest posting, join with forums and post article on that forums, upload your articles to places like medium.com. Those are the few of backlink building methods. I already have video about backlink building. Just check those videos and you will get good understanding about backlink building. Most of time you have to spend backlink building. So write article for, that's why I mean 70% of time you have to build backlink. So when you build backlink, your domain authority will be increased and your website will appear on first page of search engine. Let's go to third one. Find a low difficult keyword. If your blog is new, your blog has low domain authority. So your website is not powerful according to other website that already established on search engines. So you have to find low difficulty keyword. When you find low difficulty keywords and write quality article around that keyword, there has high chance to get first page on search engine result because competition is low for those keywords. So I have complete video about how to find low difficulty keyword using Moz. Definitely check that video and you will find the way to find low difficulty keywords and write quality article. Then you will able to see result within few months. Third one is try to write article by yourself. So lot of guys try to hire article writer, but most of time you will not get quality output from those article writers. Most importantly, if you try to find article writer for cheap price, you will not get quality article. Your article may plagiarism free, that means your article may be unique article, but the quality of article will be very low. So when visitor come to your website and check your article, if he not get information and solution to his problem, your website bounce rate will goes up and your website not rank on search engine. End of the day, you just waste your money. But if you write article by yourself, there has lot of things that can happen. First one is you can develop article writing skills and you can do research and create quality articles for your blog because it's yours and you are going to give 100% focus to grow your blog. Also, you save lot of time. At the beginning, you will not make money from your blog. At least it take 1 year to make reasonable amount of money by blogging. Some of my blogs are still not make money and those blogs are more than 1 year old. So try to write article by yourself and you will not regret about that. Let's go to fourth one. Fourth one is don't buy fake traffic. There has lot of fake traffic service on Fiverr, SEO Clark, website like that, but those are fake. fake mean bot traffic. So if you have Google AdSense on your website and you buy those bot traffic, your Google AdSense account will banned and your website bounce rate will be goes to 100% because those are not a real human, those are bots. So you just waste your time and decrease the quality of your blog. So never try to buy fake traffic. If you want to spend some money to get traffic, spend money for backlink building. So there are some guys who give backlinks for your website and they will charge some money. So that is the way if you want traffic. But if you get bot traffic or fake traffic, even it say this is real human, it's not real human. So don't be fooled. Next one is and 7, last one is never give up. As I told before, you will not make money within 1 month, 2 months, even 1 year. You may make some dollars, but you will not make good amount of money. Maybe you try to sell high ticket affiliate product, you will make money. It depends on quality of your traffic. But if you plan to make money using Google AdSense or other ads network, you will not make money. Most importantly, if you hire article writer to write articles and give up when you don't see any result, you will be lose your all money and time. So never give up. At least try 2 years before give up. When you try at least 2 years, you will see the result and you will get income stream without you knowing it. Always think blogging as long-term journey and try to find low difficulty keyword and build backlink. You will see the result and don't give up. Never ever give up. So this is the video. I hope you get good information in this video. Just let me know on comment section about your opinion. I will see you in next one. Feel free to subscribe and like the video. I will see you in next one. Bye bye.